Welcome sa ating channel mga kaibigan, at nandito ulit tayo ngayon para pag-usapan ang isa sa mga gaming laptop or budget gaming laptop dito sa ating market. And here we have the GF63 from MSI that comes with this model that is 10SCSR, and meron siyang i5 processor 10 Gen 10300, GTX 1650 Ti, video card, 512GB SSD, 8GB RAM, and of course the display 15.6 IPS and 144Hz display. Pero alamin natin mga kaibigan kung sulit nga ba ito at a 60k more or less price point with this review. And of course, for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe dahil marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan ng mga gaming laptops. And yes, we have here the all new MSI gaming laptop. This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. And yes, there are a lot of payment options using your credit card, debit card, via PayPal account, or if you have a PayPal account like mine, yun yung gagamitin natin. That's it mga kaibigan, check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website. Okay, so in terms of budget gaming laptops, a bit common na yung mga features, the performance is a bit close. So kung minsan ang pinag-uusapan na lang dyan is the advantage in terms of cooling system, kasi it's the bottleneck kadalasan sa mga gaming laptops, yung cooling system. Kahit na maganda yung performance, kahit maganda yung mga nakaload na parts or specifications on paper, kung yung kanyang thermals is hindi naman maganda, then automatically you will experience throttle along the way, lalong-lalo na kung gagamitin mo yung laptop not only for gaming but at the same time for architectural or rendering projects. Pero ayun nga mga kaibigan, of course this is a budget range laptop at a 60k more or less. Actually pagdating sa desktop, mid-range na sana eh. Pero pagdating kasi sa mga gaming laptops, it's just a budget range ang ganitong klase. And yes, we will try to find out if it can handle the performance with this kind of features na meron siya. So by merely looking at the laptop, it comes with this thin design. Since yung model pa lang niya, sinabi na nga niya, thin yung design ng laptop. And the ports are positioned at the left and right side. Meron lang siyang HDMI port at the back. And yung kanyang physical aesthetics is fair for me. It comes with this red accent. Okay na rin naman. Medyo gaming na talaga yung looks niya. And then the keyboard comes with this red backlit, so hindi pa po siya RGB. And then of course other kind of designs that is more into gaming, since the laptop is designed for gaming. Now let's move on to the interior or what's under the hood. And makikita mo kagad dyan, nabubungad sa'yo yung kanyang NVMe 512GB SSD at saka single stick 8GB RAM. So ang maganda naman sa kanya, madali lang siyang buksan and madali lang din i-upgrade kasi accessible yung kanyang mga SATA SSD slot or HDD slot, and then yung kanyang RAM slot. So that is a very fair design. And the cover, it's not that hard. Yung kanyang mga clips, hindi siya mahirap tanggalin. So you will just use your bare fingers or your nails kung kaya. Pero of course, for the safety, it's better if you will use card. Kung meron kayong mga hindi ginagamit dyan na plastic card, e-load card, yun yung mga gamitin nyo. Medyo makapal masyado pag yung mga ATM cards. So it's better if you will find one na plastic pero mas manipis compared sa mga regular ATM cards. So it comes only with this good enough heat pipes. Meron siyang tatlong heat pipes that is running across the CPU and then isa sa kanyang GPU. Now, papunta siya dito sa fan. So in terms of the board, wala akong masyadong masasabi. I think this is an OEM done by MSI. Hindi siya under ng other brands like Compal or yes, if you are aware of the board manufacturers ng mga laptops, that actually laptops like Acer, Lenovo, Toshiba, or other laptop brands out there, hindi talaga sila mismo yung nag-manufacture ng kanilang board. But with this, I think it's under MSI. Now, moving on to the other parts of the cooling system, aside from the heat pipes, meron din siya dito mga aluminum heat sinks that is at the ibabaw ng kanyang mga electronic component, that is MOSFET, and this is partly choke, and ayun, more on the VRM side of the GPU and the CPU. Mismong katabi ng kanyang mga chipsets yung mga VRM section. So, madali mo siyang ma-distinguish, especially kung ikaw po ay board level technician. And then, in terms of board label at saka yung mga electronic parts, is medyo madali lang naman siyang i-trace pagdating sa repair. So, maintenance-wise, medyo hindi mahihirapan yung magre-repair ng laptop or magsusupport ng laptop, lalo-lalo na kung may mga masisirang capacitor or masisirang mga MOSFET. Most of the time, more on capacitors lang naman or mga shorted SMD components yung mga nasisira dyan. Aside from the charging ports. Anyway, that's it mga kaibigan in terms of under the hood. But there are only things na medyo napansin ko na kailangan sana ng konting improvement. Pero maybe due to the design na kailangan thin yung laptop, well, I considered those. Yun nga lang, merong isa na hindi ko siya pwedeng consider, which is this part. Na sana man lang meron sana siyang mas magandang cutouts dito sa ilalim para dito sa fan na to. Pero what happened in here is meron nga siyang cutouts dito sa part na to. Yun nga lang, it's not dun sa tapat mismo ng fans. Well, I don't know what is the use or what is the purpose kung bakit nila ginawa yun. Pero based on the services or kumbaga sa mga nasisirang mga laptops before, wala naman siyang negative impact kung medyo mesh doon sa may tapat ng fans. So, I still don't know what is the explanation in terms of the engineering side. Pero as far as I know, some laptop brands are doing it that way na mayroong cutouts talaga sa may tapat ng cooling system or ng tapat ng fans. And then another thing siguro is all about the cooling system. Pero, well, during gaming naman, when we tested it, fair naman yung temperatures, pero that is just during the gaming. So, this is not a laptop that you may consider if you will be using a gaming laptop for rendering. Actually, not even other gaming laptops, hindi ko talaga siya nire-recommend, lalong-lalo na sa mga architect or sa mga engineers that are into projects or rendering. Kasi talagang uusok yung laptop nyo. Kaya I advise everyone na if in case you are into rendering, please avoid buying gaming laptops. It's just maybe if you need it badly dahil nga doon sa nature ng trabaho mo that you need to be on the go guy. Pero don't abuse your laptop na yan na yung mismong pinag-renderan mo ng mga malalaking projects. Maybe just mild projects like projects that you can render it for 30 minutes or below 1 hour. Pero kung yung laptop mo is i-render niya ng almost 1 day or 2 days, then the laptop is not the good choice that you may have for that kind of project. And yes, in additional mga kaibigan, of course, this is the big proof na yung benchmark natin with this gaming laptop for just around more or less 20 minutes rendering. Nakita nyo naman na siguro that the temperature of the CPU is really suffering. So if you will try to imagine na kung yan is aabot pa ng oras or even a day, then expect that the lifespan of your laptop will just be shorter by maybe around 1 to 2 years siguro. Mga ganun lang yung aabutin ng laptop mo, sira na kagad. Kaya if you are really planning to buy a gaming laptop, then settle with the purpose na gusto mong magkaroon ng gaming laptop na on the go. Yun na yung pinaka best na recommendation ko if you are buying gaming laptop. And slight rendering or mga short projects, SDE projects, ganun lang. Not into hardcore projects or sobrang taas na volume ng polygons na projects ang panggagamitan. Well, the display is also not that good in terms of editing since you only got this fair enough or fairly good enough rating. But of course, in terms of gaming, 144Hz refresh rate will be an advantage, and of course that IPS display. Pero if you are talking about the color accuracy or how rich the color is, well, it's not that good laptop that you should consider. Of course, the portability purpose of a gaming laptop is nandito siya kasi it's designed with a thin structure So it's a bit lightweight, it's a more on the go side ang magiging advantage mo with this gaming laptop. Pero ayun nga, kung gusto mo pa ng mas magandang gaming laptop for better performance or more powerful performance, then you may consider other higher variants of MSI or other brands out there that comes with better cooling system. Okay, so that's it guys. Feel free to subscribe for more videos like this, and yes, gaming laptops that will be released soon with Acer, Asus, and yes, 11th gen is coming. November.